Alright, we're back. I'll work on this side of the bike now. So I'm going to pull the push rod covers up and see what's going on with the valves, or the lifters. See what he broke.
Didn't break nothing for the camera. Did not break anything, ladies and gentlemen. Just rode the bike.
Yeah, right.
Made sure all the work we did was great.
So these are stock, non-adjustable twin cam push rod covers, which means we're not going to be able to adjust the valves very easily. Are these even adjustable?
That's a good question.
Probably not. It'd be pretty hard to adjust those. See, I don't see no adjuster in here. You can make them really hard to adjust. Whenever you see a little short clip
Tatro, we
like
got
that,
one drop on this thing.
it's not adjustable. Drip on what?
Just one drip right here.
Where's it coming from?
I didn't see it.
Wipe it down. Where's the drip at? On the ground?
On my white box I put down.
Probably because you didn't wipe it off very good up there. Wipe it off.
All right.
There's a bunch of towels I brought out here for you. Here's a nice red one. Use that one. Wipe it down. Run your fingers everywhere. Make sure it's clean. Alright, so we have no adjustability here. That means we can't do anything about lifters. So it's knocking, I can't fix it. I'm assuming that's what the problem even is, because we don't know. So I can turn the push rod, so I know it's adjusted about right. I don't know which cylinder we're on right now either. Let's see the problem. So we're going to see if we find any real loose one. If we find one real loose one, then we know there's a problem. If we don't find a real loose one, then ain't a problem. What do I do with my screwdriver? Big screwdriver, small screwdriver. Okay, that one adjusts also. Those are the easy two.
What if it's coming out this filter right here?
The hose is wet, not the filter. Is the filter wet now?
Let's see.
Yes, air filters and all that. There we go. That one moves. Oh, we got a tight one finally. Thought we got 4 loose ones there for a minute.
What'd you say, Tatro?
Thought we got 4 loose ones there for a minute.
One was tight.
We got 3 loose ones, 1 tight one. All right, what are you doing over there? Just sleeping again? Nose
Just
on?
wiped off everything. Placed a white piece of white up under to see if.
Is it leaking any more now? It's all dry now?
Yeah.
Okay. Put this thing up in high gear. We got to back it up or go forward. Your choice.
Back it up.
All right. Put it in high gear.
You want me to back it up?
Yep.
How far back?
Oh, at least about 10 inches.
All right.
Put it in high gear first, though. Push it forward a little bit. Pull the clutch in and push forward.
Clutch is in.
Okay, push it forward. Go all until you hit something. All right. Put it in high gear. Go back and forth. Let the clutch out. Why's the clutch pulled in?
Let it go.
Yeah. Put it in high gear.
What first?
High.
6.
Whatever your highest gear is.
6.
Just got a 3-speed transit.
Yeah.
It says 6 on the tranny.
I ain't 3. Let's see.
What, it tells you what 6 gear is now?
Yep, it does.
Once you push it back and forth a little bit as you figure out which gear you're in. That's not a gear. You in high yet?
Yep.
Where's the clutch lever pulled in? Let the clutch out. Let the stop. Don't get you carried away. Turn the ignition off. Why is the ignition on for? Trying to start the bike up? Okay, there's your problem.
What?
See this push rod right here?
Here you go.
So that's loose.
Uh-huh. Let me see.
Okay, see, I can't move that one.
Okay.
See, I can move this one. Here, move it. Put your finger dingies on there and twist that sucker.
Okay, twist it.
Feel the drag on it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, feel the back one. Feel the drag on that one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's how it should feel. Feel the front exhaust.
Whoa, nothing.
See how it's tight?
Yes, sir.
It's because the valve's open. Now feel the one next to it.
Spinning.
You get a little clearance in that one?
Yes, sir.
I can hear a knock every time you touch it. That's not a good sign.
Let me see.
Feel the up and down in it.
It's good.
It's loose. So that's good, huh? Loose. Vibrating all over the place like that is loose.
No.
That's the noise you hear?
Yep.
That might be the noise?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sounds familiar.
Sounds real familiar, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So, how much money you got with you?
I just won a lottery actually. I'm worth about $1 million.
So, you got to pull that whole rocker box off,
Huh?
pull that lifter out and see what's wrong with it. Or you take a set of bolt cutters and cut those 2 push rods out because you can't get to the first one. You have to get the second one. You got to get through the fifth. You got to go past this one to get to that one.
Okay.
You got to cut that sucker out and put an adjustable push rod in there. And then you have to have an adjustable cover so that you can adjust it after you put it back in. And the kit comes with a 4-pack, and it's $250 or better.
Bless you.
So there you go. And then you go in there and pull that lifter out, because more likely that lifter's probably bad. And you'll need to put 1 lifter in the bike too. So that's about $350 in parts. Yeah, I didn't see that face. Let me see that face again. Let me turn the light off. We don't kill it too bad. Okay, give me that look again. How's it look? Yeah, that's the one. Okay, otherwise you got to pull the rocker box all apart. Disassemble the motor, get that push rod, get that one out, and then we put a lifter in that hole and put it all back together. So you have to have a gasket set and a lifter. And for you, about 3 weeks from now, you'll get it back together again. Because I know you work slow, or fast, excuse me, fast. So there you go.
We found out the problem.
Now why the lifter go bad, I don't know. All I know is right now it's not pumping up, which means it's collapsed, which means it's probably junk. Or the roller's out of it, which is even worse. The push rod's not bent because it's turned straight, so I know the push rod ball and all that's good. It's the lifter. And it's not adjustable, so because we were cheap.
They're not adjustable? I thought I had adjustables.
No.
No?
Do you see a screw in there to adjust it with?
Crap.
So there you go. Problem solved. Now it just takes money. All right, well, there you go. We'll see what the fix is going to be here in a little bit.